There's one that we quite enjoyed talking about, which is
what's up?
At some point in the
If you're
future,
wondering what the fuck
we're
I'm
gonna be looking
doing,
at how do we introduce like
I'm listening to the
GP,
Big
right?
Time
And we're saying, hey,
team
what if
talk
people
about their
actually
game.
buy a Coliseum NFT
I'm
and
trying to
install
get
in their space,
judge
start bringing
value
players to
here.
duel in the arenas.
I'm
So
trying to figure
there
out
will be space
how
for
worthwhile it is
loot. Now, it's
getting one of
very
these.
rare loot, and the remaining spaces are meant to last,
The sale's not happening now. It's happening in like an hour and a half. I'm just getting ready for it
I have a
now.
different question, and maybe you already answered it. One of the
I'm predicting,
best things you can do for a project,
based on what I'm hearing here,
and I think you
that
guys
it might do a 5x.
keep the community excited.
So if we get one of these, it might be worth 16 grand.
The other question I have is, if you don't mind me asking, I mean,
log my shit in. Oh, I swear to God. I swear to God. If I cannot get in, I'm gonna be really fucking upset. Come on. Sign in. Come on. Sign me into your fucking platform. No more login. Can't log in. Ready, steady. Can't log in. Can't log in. I'm looking at the Discord here. People are incapable. Why does it show all sold out? Think I'm just gonna watch. Please delay. Too many caps. Yep. It started. There are so many people trying to log in at the same time that the server cannot handle it. Lol, got force logged out. Logging in is not working. Please help. No login, no login. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, okay. Okay. Come on. Oh my God. Okay. I cannot buy anything. The sale should be live. I can literally purchase nothing. Why no buy button? Where's the buy button? Where's the buy button? Banned. I got logged out. This chat is shitting itself. Come on. We just need to keep trying. I think their sale is behind because their server's like shitting a brick. Right? This is exactly what it looked like before the sale. Right? There's nothing on OpenSea, which is good. OpenSea, if you see anything on OpenSea currently, it's a scam. Unless you see the verified check mark next to the name from the seller, it's a scam. Oh, the host has gone down. Ooh, they underestimated how many people wanted in on this. This is a shit show. These sales are always a shit show. I'm willing to bet I'm gonna get signed out soon myself, Eel. Oh, select and buy. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Fuck, buy now, buy now, buy now, buy now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Pay with balance. Come on. Pay with balance. Order not available. That's fine. Big time. Sale. Exalted large space. Select and buy. We'll go down. We'll find another one. Buy now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fuck. I'm not going to make it. Yeah, it doesn't look... Well, you'll have to buy it on the open marketplace. Holy shit. People are so mad. So the bots win. Who bought? Sold out. Everyone's saying sold out. Can't log in. I got my space. Website is trash. Epic medium spaces. I did want to try and get some of these. I'm trying everything I can right now. Delay 1 hour so people can get their funds going forward. This is a disaster. Yeah, someone are they deleting messages now in the Discord? Ooh, they're going wild here. Several people are typing. Oh, that's unfortunate. I'd like to buy Exalted Land 69, if I could. Oh, what a mess. What a fucking mess. We're gonna have to check the open market now. Big time sale. Let's try a mythic small space. We can't buy from one of these because it looks like it's fucking sold out. We'll try one of these. We'll go here because these are still loading. We'll go for a rare large space. I'm trying everything. I'm trying to get anything at all. Worst mint experience ever. What a big fail. And you see they're deleting messages. Every now and then something disappears from here. Yeah, they really fucked this up. Because you see there's no way for them to reverse this. Right? There's absolutely no way for them to reverse this. All they can really do is try and say, oopsie doodle, sorry. It's been now 11 minutes. Keep in mind that the tickets sold out in less than 2 minutes, right? which means you're not likely to get anywhere with this. Epic large space. Let's see if we can get a hold of one of these. So they've sold 10% of the land, right? So Lola managed to get one of everything. Bots for the win. Yeah, so you see, people set up bots beforehand, and they got to learn from the experience of the pre-sale. I'm going to listen to their big time stage.
Did anyone get to mint?
No. Oh no. Oh no, fuck. I think I've been signed out.
If I'm being honest.
Let's see if I can even buy one of these.
Oh,
Listen to these guys shit themselves. And like, end of the day, I kind of expected this. I went through this exact same thing with the sandbox in their early days.
Saw the buy button, chose my option on like number 22 order or whatever.
Not even
This happened on.
What's the cheapest? The cheapest is these little blocks right here. The big time sale. Rare small space, $300.
Eventually, people minted. I mean, they tripled their money right away, but it took about 3-4 hours.
Bro, these guys are clearing deposits like they weren't ready at all.
Oh, dude.
Dude.
The site's being.
I need to get into this market ASAP, but I'm lazy. Dude, these things are going to fucking
Stay logged in.
pop off.
I'm trying to
Go sale, yeah, go quick.
It's taking forever to load.
I'm trying everything, but I'm being honest here. I don't think I'm getting anything. I'm willing to bet that bots got this. I'm willing to bet that a bunch of bots.
Is anyone in here getting exalted?
Yeah.
No! No! Processing.
It signed me out.
It's processing. Come on, come on.
My fucking phone is almost dying. Shit.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on! Come on! Select and buy. Load more. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Scroll down. Pick a random one. Buy now.
Sold out on my screen. How messed up is
Fuck! Ugh. What? $30,000.
not available.
It's
Get code. What the fuck? Let's go! We got a small piece. Processing. Fuck you. No. 20 grand. Holy shit. Okay, pay with balance.
There's some people
Like
talking
VIP
about
pass.
being able to get messages.
Yes! Yes! Oh, we got 2 pieces. Yes! Oh, it's not over. It's not over. It's not over yet. We got 2 pieces, boys. Yes! Oh! Yes, we got another piece. Oh, boys, we're going for it. We're going for a fucking large piece. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We're going for an epic. Come on, select and buy. Pick that one. Random. Pay with balance. Pay with balance. Come on. Yes, we got another piece. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, my plan is entirely out the window. It's now just buy whatever the fuck I can get my hands on. Come on. Let's go. Yes, large mythic. Oh, boys. Yes, yes, that's right. Oh, fuck yeah. Daddy's making bank today. Oh, no, we don't have enough money for that. Okay, we got 400. We got 400. What do we go for? We go for a small rare space. Go, select and buy. Oh my god. Load more. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on! Yes! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Please, 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 please. Okay, I think this one's sold out. When it hangs like that, it seems like people are competing for the price of it. So that means I should just go back, find another one, buy out, wait until it shows up. If it hangs like this, then get the fuck back and find another piece. Okay, rare space, select and buy. Load more. I had a strategy, troll rushes, but that went to shit the absolute second this started, right? Purely because it's fucking impossible to get a hold of anything because bots are killing the market. 30 grand immediately. It went from 3 grand to 30 grand. I was predicting a 5x. Your order has been placed. Yes! That's something. Okay. Number order confirmed. Okay, we got 1 space. No. Okay, I have to have more than 1 piece. I have to have more than 1 piece. I know that for a fact. Now, if we go to the open market, you will see that these things are so expensive. Look at that. 25 grand. Oh my god. Fuck. That's at least good enough. I got something. Wait, you can sell them now. So as soon as the sale ends and everything's sold out, it goes into the open market and you can buy and sell anything you want there. Right? These are all of them. Wait, oh shit, hold on. Hold on.
And then sign in with Google.
Buy now.
Sign in with Google. And then
What I have in my balance.
Loading. And then sign in with Google. I fucking did it 60 times, bitch. Where's my fucking money?
This guy's so mad.
Alright, I give up. I'm gonna go take a shit. Yeah.
You see, if you try and you try and open a tab. Oh shit, it's working now. Okay, before if you opened a tab using the link they sent, it completely shut you out and the host server was down, was gone. What's the wallet you link to it? So this is their independent wallet. So I'm using the market on Big Time through an account that is linked specifically to them. MetaMask's just what I use to deposit. I got something, at least. This confirms that I got one piece of... Oh, let's go! We got the Mythic Lodge as well! Oh, yeah! Hey, guys? Guys? This might be a bad time, but, does anyone want a Mythic Lodge for 30 grand?
The businessman.
Only 30?
5k.
What a steal.
I mean, they have it listed for that.
I'll settle for 29 and a dick pic.
Oh, you fucking load up. You fucking load up. Silicon bar.
All these people are fucking panicking. And here I am with my piece of land. Yes! Fucking victory! With a fucking African internet connection. Oh my god. Oh, and the price went fucking sky high. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. I've still got $400 in my wallet. But we got the rest! Yes! We are the victors today. Yes! Out of all these European fucks, all these guys in America that are right next to the server, we just fucking made a bunch of money. Some little fuck down in Africa did that. Yeah! I cannot describe to you how fucking good that feels. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those prices. Look how disgusting those prices are. Oh my god. How do I add money to the wallet? Oh, here, let me show you. You go to your profile. Oh my god. Oh, when this finally loads, you should have a thing that says deposit here, and you should deposit USDC to it. I just made 20 fucking grand in less than 30 minutes. This is the power of being in the right space at the right time, and just being there and getting fucking lucky. This is the exact same thing I went through with the sandbox. This is the exact same problem that every single one of these crypto games is going to have for the next 2 years.
Does that mean that?
Oh, look at that! 25 grand! Oh, yes! Oh, fuck yes! Oh! Oh!
Shit's not orange, man.
Exalted large space is only 9 grand for some reason. What the oh, this guy's he just wants out. It's okay, I only lost out on a potential 30 grand. Dude, don't worry. There will be a million opportunities like so. Keep in mind, I've now done this twice. This is repetitive. I've done this twice now. Which means it's very likely it's going to happen again. And my prediction is going to be Vulcan Forge.
I'm still refreshing my...
It will happen again. Small rare space is $1,500. if you got a small rare space,
It's just loading.
these guys are mad. Holy shit, these guys are mad. I'm turning them down. You just made a 5x on your money. So on the low end, I was correct about what it was going to be. On the high end, it was more like a 24, like a 10 to 25x. No reply. Okay, so there's 5 here. So what did I manage to pick up? We picked up 1 rare space. 1 rare small space. So that's about... Okay, let's do the calculation here, right? Let's do the calculation on pure profit if I were to sell right now. Then we got a mythic medium space. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now it's getting interesting. And then we got a mythic large space. A mythic large space. 25 grand. Yeah! Oh my god! Oh, holy shit. That is what I made in pure profit if I were to sell everything right now. Oh, okay, you see, this is... I deserve this screen now. Call me Megamind because I've got the biggest fucking brain you've ever seen. I'm such an arrogant asshole, sorry. Sorry, I can't help myself, I'm just celebrating. The price on secondary is insane. Look at this. Look at me. Look at these fucking prices. Prices are going to come down a little bit, right? Prices are going to fluctuate up and down as people balance this out, right? So if I go back here, dude, I'm glad to help. This is the point of this. Is it's not just to enrich me. It's to actually help people figure this shit out. Because these spaces are confusing, they are chaotic, they are insane, they don't make sense, and it's really, really fucking difficult for people to even comprehend what the fuck is going on. So if you are looking to flip, now is the time, right? Prices will go down a lot. You can see these rare small spaces. Your other option is to wait until tomorrow. So you'll notice that the market will spike, it'll go down, and then there's 2 things that'll happen from there. The price will either flatline for a very long time and then spike again when the beta is released, or it will go down, it'll stay down for about 12 hours. News will spread about how quickly the land sold out. People will be like, holy shit, I can't believe everything, 60,000 pieces of land were gone in under an hour. And then people will hop into the secondary market and they will they'll blow their ass out trying to get any piece of land. That's exactly what happened with the tickets, by the way. Alright, so it's all up to it. But either way, you're still in massive profit, even if the price does go down from this point. Honey, I made a bunch of money in a fucking video game. Can you imagine how fucking stupid that sounds to a normal human being? But that's the truth. That's how this fucking world works. So, announcements. We got a new announcement. Let's see. New member, Exalted Large, Epic Large, Rare Medium are sold out. Plenty left remaining in other rarities and sizes. What a brutal sale. Big Time, invest in your fucking servers, please. Because at this rate, this shit's gonna just keep happening. All these companies doing this, they don't understand exactly how many people are rushing to get this. They thought that, no, there's gonna be 60,000 pieces of land and it's all gonna be fine. I don't think they understand there's about 500,000 people in here trying to get even the smallest piece of land. They have 300,000 people in their Discord alone. And I know for a fact that investors don't just join a Discord. I wish, you know what, I actually wish I'd thrown more money into this now. Because I would have flipped so many fucking land pieces. But you know what? I can't be mad. I can't be mad. What do I first buy? Do I buy myself a golden toilet? Or do I... Like, do I go for the golden toilet paper here? Or do I buy my village a well? Because I live in Africa, so, you know, everyone's poor as fuck. And, you know... We will just die of starvation eventually. Maybe I'll buy food for once in my life.